Alright, family, welcome back to the channel. I'm kind of out of breath, y'all, because I just got through water and everything. But it is time to harvest the plums. So we're just gonna get on out here and harvest what we have left. We lost a lot of plums due to the excessive rain. What else? Bugs. So we'll be better prepared next year. And also two important things that we have to remember about our fruit trees is that we need to water and we need to feed. So let's jump right on into this video. Oh, the kind of plums we are harvesting are Santa Rosa plums and
Well, look as y'all see. Well, looking pretty good there. We got a few tiny ones, but looking pretty good here.
the shriveled up ones, just throw them back into the pot. Yeah, bug done got into it. Big old hole on it.
That one's fine. Look at Peaches.
Oh.
Keep her?
Yeah. If ain't nothing wrong with it, baby, we keeping it. Look, it's on me.
Beetle.
Yep, I told you they love these peach trees and plum trees. I stuck my hand in here a few days ago, and when I say a ton of beetles fell on me, I almost had a heart attack out here in the yard and wasn't nobody had known. We forgot some little bitty ones up here. Well, we got more fruit this year than we did last year and the year before.
Last year the heat took us out. We had some fruit. But the heat last year wasn't no joke. We prepared this year though.
Almost prepared. One of them we couldn't help, and that was the excess rain. Yeah, throw it on in there. But yep, the peach trees did pretty darn good this year. And this is the early variety. I'm gonna have to look at my notes and see which is which. And I'm just gonna type it on the screen. Ooh, don't start messing with them, Jesus Christ. Wait till we finish and then you can come back and do it.
Okay, excuse me, baby. I know I'm about 6'7", but I gotta squeeze my little tiny butt on it.
So we are most definitely positive that we'll have tons of fruit next year. So this is the first tree. I hope y'all can see because we got here late in the evening. But and it smells so good. And the peach trees smelling good too.
They'll be ready here soon too. They already Chinese cooking. They'll be ready here. I'll be ready to get in them delicious drinks. Here. Momentarily. Oh snap! I didn't see that. Look at that, y'all. I got two of them. Oh, one. I gotta cut that out. They got to go back.
All right.
This little tree over here put in some work, y'all.
Mm-hmm. This the one that's shaded in between. The one we just harvested from is kind of on the end. There's a lot of them on this tree.
Yeah, I see. Your boy in here. They just popping up out of nowhere. Cut my eye, my peripheral. They go too close.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You can really tell what your tree got if you get up under it. Get up under the canopy, you can see.
And that was good. I'm gonna have to find that little black copper, make us a little shade. Cause this one did an amazing job, and ain't none of the fruit like.
And none of the leaves ate up like the other one over here.
Yeah.
When we know that them June bugs and those Japanese beetles, they love any kind of plum leaves and fruit and any kind of peach tree and fruit. And blackberries. I said I'm gonna start planting herbs at the bottom of my trees. Baby just got those flowers for us girls because they was pretty and they done quadrupled, bigger than quadrupled. Shoot.
I got one little split in it.
Take it off, throw it in the pot, in the bucket. We can look at them when we get to the table. Y'all, these mosquitoes are bad.
Did I miss anything?
Watch yourself. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavy, y'all. That's a nice plum harvest, baby. Let me make sure that's it, y'all. All right, family. So this is the other plum tree. And we've harvested those two plum trees. So I look back at my old video when we first got the plum trees, and we got Santa Rosa plum and Bruce plum. So I'm thinking this is the Bruce plum. I'm thinking. And these are one of the ones that we just harvested. I'm thinking this is the Santa Rosa. This one here and that one. And the one on the end that's yellow is Bruce. That's what I'm thinking. First plum harvest after 2 years. First plum harvest. Okay, family, got them all cleaned. Okay, so this is our first harvest. We're real harvest of plums. I said, Lord, what we gonna do when there's so many of them? When there's tons of them. But yeah, these are the plums. We got the scale over here, so we finna weigh them. You could have just dumped them in there. Okay, so what we got? 46 ounces. 46.75 ounces. All right, so I did the numbers, and that is 2.9 pounds. 2 pounds, 9 ounces. So that's close to 3 pounds for the very first real plum harvest. That is going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Share the video if you would like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we will see you lovely people in the next video. Stay blessed. Bonus clip, family. I forgot to get one and cut it open for you. Look, I'm so busy. I got something else I need to go do like right now. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, let me try it. Okay, let's talk about, I got to go, y'all. But let's talk about how good God is. Taste the pieces. Now you can eat my whole thing then. Bite. Is it good or bad?
That is so sweet, but it's still good. It looks like I'm finna dance right now.
Oh, Lord, don't dance. I got to go. But y'all, praise God. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace and blessings, family. So this is the other plum tree. And we've harvested those 2 plum trees. So I look back at my old video when we first got the plum trees. And we got Santa Rosa plum and Bruce plum. So I'm thinking this is the Bruce plum. I'm thinking. And these are one of the ones that we just harvested. I'm thinking this is the Santa Rosa. This one here and that one. And the one on the end that's yellow is Bruce. That's what I'm thinking.